Well, you enjoy your day, and like I said, I'll get on to you if I learn anything more.
Yeah, thanks,
No
Darrell.
worries. Thanks.
Okay then.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
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 Very significant mental health consequences.
Jesus.
And that's why...
Well,
Just on that, is there
You
any
couldn't put a boat
evidence
in there.
to
No.
say that it does help people and their mental health? It does reduce suicide. We know that there was the
Get a
CAS
canoe
report,
in.
was a report from
I don't know,
the
you
UK.
wouldn't paddle out.
Well, don't know
Is
how
there
far
any
you
evidence
get.
to say that it does stop self-harm?
Or drive around and have a look.
contentious area. So there are studies that are consistent with that, but there are studies which question that. So this is the area of most active debate at the moment. Are those reasons that people want to pursue these treatments? Because we certainly know about their distress and their self-harm and their suicidality when they present in this situation.
Not very much of an Easter
The extent to
here,
which
is it?
that's helped, yes, there is evidence it's helped in the short term. However, people are concerned about the longer term consequences and what other factors might be contributing to their mood disturbance, to their self-harming behaviour, other factors other than just their concern about their gender. So, and that's exactly what the Federal Minister has asked the NHMRC to look at. Now, he raised the CAS review. There's a lot of debate, including by the British Medical Association, which have been extremely critical of the CAS review.
Do you want me to turn
And
this
why
off?
they're saying, well, enterprise model
You see that across the board, right?
Ralph enjoying his drive out and about today?
Being, I guess, a financial incentive over a health incentive in so many areas. Look at medicinal cannabis, for example.
Exactly. So that's why people like myself are very upset about the Queensland situation. If you shut down all the public services, guess what's going to
Greg's
happen?
enjoying his
Problems
drive.
are gonna go away. And it's what's happening in the UK already. Those who can afford
Having a look at our very low weir.
but on the whole,
Weir is
do not
extremely low.
the same degree of comprehensive care, tend to focus
just a
on giving you what
bumpy.
you want, not being associated with ongoing clinical research, and not really
Very low.
responding to the concern.
Currently flying it from the lookout, and we're flying over to Langada towards the Hume Weir. And then you can see at the back of the township, you can start to see the mudflats forming. The weir's currently at 38%, and we're still almost 2 months away from Easter. So I don't know how much water's going to be left in there for Easter. There's the boat ramp, a long way from the boat ramp to the water. And that water that you could see after the boat ramp, not very deep at all, probably a bit over ankle deep. When you could see there the old Mitta River and the channel that it runs. Now, they're currently letting water out at Dart, they do most of the time, but there's very much limited as to how much water they can release due to the due to the constraints of the river itself. So the old Mitta or Dart now seems to be a bit of a white elephant. But as you can see there, there's just a lot of mudflats